Hi folks, welcome back. In this video I'd like to show you my new carburettor flushing system that I've devised. As I've shown you earlier, I've got the carburettor set there in the carb stand. I've got a tub of warm water just with household detergent in it, and if I blow the suds away you'll be able to see the submersible pump there in the liquids, and all the jets and everything in there soaking. That's connected directly to the main fuel inlet manifold there. So we'll set the pump off, and it takes a couple of seconds before everything starts to flow. Should come fairly shortly, and that will come right through the system, through the pilots, through the air breathers at the top. You'll see it coming out there, the suds coming out, and eventually that will start to flow. Look down in through the top, you can see the main jets are back flushing, and if we look down the back of the carbs, you see the rear air transfer jets there all pouring out there. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for liquid coming out of every orifice, as we've got there as well. So that means there's no blockage. If there was no flow anywhere, you'd know instantly you've got a blockage. But like I say, warm water and just household detergent is good enough to soften any varnishes over time. So I'd leave that running there for probably an hour, then come back and check it. And before I actually set the actual pump off, what you need to do, you need to remove all the contents of the float balls, all the jets, floats, all the contents completely, and that then creates the vortex that you need to back flush through all the jets, etc. So that's it basically. That's it running. I'll turn that back down a little, back down so it's more level. So that's it in a nutshell basically, and it works really well. And thank you all again for watching. Bye for now.